Samsung experimented with the Galaxy S25 Edge, the light, slender flagship that could have changed the course of Galaxy S design. But it seems like Samsung has misread the market and insiders are reporting disappointing sales. New phones are expected to sell good in the first 3 months of availability. The S25 Edge, which launched only in the month of end of May, has sold fewer units than what Samsung expected, and they have reportedly lowered the production target. There was talk that next year the Edge would replace the Plus in the S26 lineup, as the Plus was the weakest seller of the trio in the last 3 years. But we could understand why Samsung would want to shake up things and find the best selling model, but Edge isn't it, at least in this generation. It's not clear whether Samsung will change course for 2026 or whether it will give Edge design another shot. Before the decision is made, the company has to deal with its foldable lineup. Insiders speaking to the Elect claims Samsung will front load the production of Z7 foldables to the US market. It will manufacture 600,000 units this month, up from the original plan of 400,000 units. This will get ahead of the tariff that will affect the prices of units sold in the US. This will eat into the production market for the global sales, at least for this month. Production will gradually increase in July. The original plan was to manufacture 1.34 million foldables, 630,000 of them would be the Galaxy Z Fold 7 units.